Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please share, subscribe and support and like. यदि आप RRB नर्सिंग के पेपर सॉल्यूशन में 2015 का पेपर सॉल्यूशन हम कर रहे हैं, इसमें हार्मोन सीक्रेट बाय द टेस्टिस ऑप्शन ए, एस्ट्रोजन ऑप्शन बी, पेटॉन्स ऑप्शन सी, एंड्रोजेनिस ऑप्शन डी, प्रोजेस्टेरोन. तो ऑप्शन सी androgenesis is a right answer. The principle of hormone secreted by the testes is known as androgenesis. Androgenesis is of two types, namely testosterone and androtestosterone in manly. Testosterone is responsible for the production is primary and secondary sex character and help in the development of semiphasis tube for ovary. Various of hormones are secreted, namely estrogen, progesterone and relaxed. Estrogen helps secondary sex character development, where progesterone facilitates the development of secondary sex characterized and mainly pregnancy, gestation period, relax public ligament and a favor of but hormonal secret is a best test of option C, endogenous. 17. 17वां प्रश्न. 1 teaspoon contain ml. 1 टीस्पून एक चाय का चम्मच कंटेन है, उसमें खाली जगह ml आता है. ऑप्शन ए 2 ml, ऑप्शन बी 5 ml, ऑप्शन सी 10 ml, ऑप्शन डी 15 ml. 15 ml, 2 ml, 10 ml या 5 ml. ऑप्शन बी इज राइट आंसर. 5 ml आता है. द अमाउंट ऑफ 1 टीस्पून to equal 4.92 ml, 5 ml approx. The amount is subjected to standard sheet of value. A teaspoon is a unit of volume measurement that equal 1/3 teaspoon has. This is equal extremely 5 ml and also level teaspoon 5 ml and the half teaspoon equal 2.5 ml. One ml contain drop. Option A 5 drop, option B 10 drop, option C 15 drop, option D drop 20 drop. Option C is the right answer. 15 drop. The drop is approximately unit of measurement of volume. The amount depending as 1 drop for drop or dripper chamber. It is often used is in give container of liquid drug to patient and occlusion in cooking in organic system. If we are measuring in oil-based liquid like oil, 15 drop per ml is typically recommended. However, is you measurement of water-based liquid like juice, 20 drop per ml usually recommended. So 1 ml drop is a 15 ml drop. 15 ml of drop contain. 19. Average weight of newborn. Option A 2 kg, option B 4 kg, option C 3 kg, option D 5 kg. तो ऑप्शन C 3 kg is the average newborn baby weight. 3 kg is average weight of newborn baby. 3 kg is a Indian. The normal weight of the newborn male baby up to 2.8 to 3.2 kg at the time of the birth. where in the case of the newborn female baby it is up to 2.7 to 3.1 kg at the time of birth. Most of the time it is the seen that mother weight is very important in improve the weight of their newborn baby. How much salt must be added? एक न्यू बालक का कितना वेट होता है? तो अप्रोक्सीमेटली इंडिया के अकॉर्डिंग हम 3 kg इज अ नॉर्मल वेट और एवरेज वेट ऑफ न्यू बॉर्न बेबी, तो हम 3 kg ऑप्शन के अनुसार हम 3 kg एवरेज वेट न्यू बॉर्न का रखते हैं. हाउ मैनी सॉल्ट मस्ट बी एड टू 1 liter ऑफ द वाटर टू मेक अ सॉल्यूशन ऑफ नॉर्मल सलाइन? तो ऑप्शन ए 2 ग्राम, ऑप्शन बी 5 ग्राम, ऑप्शन सी 6 ग्राम, ऑप्शन डी 9 ग्राम. ऑप्शन डी इज द राइट आंसर, 9 ग्राम. 1 लीटर वाटर में सॉल्युबल नॉर्मल सलाइन हम 9 ग्राम सॉल्ट ऐड करते हैं. 9 ग्राम सॉल्ट मस्ट बी एडेड 1 लीटर वाटर ऑफ मेक solution is a normal saline, also known as saline solution, is a mixture of solution chloride, salt and water. It is a number of the used medicine included cleaning, wound removal and storage, contain less lens and help with dry eyes. 21. Number of vertebrae in sacrum of sacrum. Number of vertebrae in sacrum. Option A 5, option B 3, option C 4, option D 1. Number of vertebrae in sacrum तो टोटल 5 होते हैं. तो sacrum is made of 5 fused vertebrae confused as an interval triangular bone that is a concave anterior and concave posterior vertebrae are the 33 individual bones that is interlocked with the each other for the spinal column. The vertebrae are numbered and divided into the region cervical, thoracic, lumbar, sacrum and coccyx. Only the top of the top 24 bones are movable. The vertebrae, the sacrum and coccyx. 22. Number of chromosomes in cell. So option A is 23, option B 44, option C 46, option D 40. तो ऑप्शन सी इज द राइट आंसर, 46. नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम इन सेल. सेल के अंदर कितने क्रोमोसोम होते हैं? तो हम बोले हमारा आंसर 46 रहेगा. द क्रोमोसोम नंबर इज ह्यूमन इज 23 पेयर्स. नॉर्मल हमने ये क्रोमोसोम का आपको क्लासेस में आगे भी हमारे क्लासेस में आपको समझाया हुआ है. उसके बारे में क्रोमोसोम के बारे में हमने टोटल ऐड किया हुआ है कि क्रोमोसोम का 23 पेयर्स होते हैं. उसमें टोटल ये हमने पूरा का पूरा क्लासेस में आपको पढ़ाया हुआ है. इसलिए आप एक बार जाके क्रोमोसोम के बारे में हमने इम्पोर्टेड टॉपिक और अदर जो भी इम्पोर्टेड है आरआरबी के सिलेबस के अनुसार वही हम आपको पढ़ाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. यदि आपको वो क्लासेस अच्छे लगे तो शेयर लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करना भूलें ना हमें. और यदि हम आगे भी आपके लिए ऐसी मेहनत करते रहेंगे. द क्रोमोसोम नंबर इज ए ह्यूमन in 23 pairs. Normally there are the 46 chromosomes in total. Each cells in human 22 of these and 23 pair are referred to autosomal and are the same of the both male and female. However, the difference is the last pair of chromosomes. 23rd pair is differs in female and male. They are The sex chromosome is determining the sex of individual. ये रहा हमारा क्रोमोसोम का। हाँ, एक है ऑलसोमल और एक है ऑटोसोमल। क्रोमोसोम के 2 टाइप है। ऑलसोमल में 22 पेयर्स होता है और ऑटोसोमल में 22 पेयर्स होता है और ऑलसोमल में 1 पेयर होता है। मेल में मेल XY होता है और फीमेल XX होती है। ऑलसोमल और सेक्स क्रोमोसोमल होता है 23। Anterior spalate defect occur due to the perestation of option A form oval, option D duct anterior, option C duct venous, option D mitral valve. Option A is the right answer. Form oval. Anterior spectral defect is in one of the most common type of congestive heart defect occur in the about the 25 of the children, and arterial spectral defect occur when there is a failure to close the communication between the right and left artery. The central artery stapler defect usually arise from an enlarged foramen oval indicate growth of the septums and ceridiums of excessive abortion of the sputum and prims. 24. It is a water soluble vitamin. Option A vitamin A, option B vitamin K, option C vitamin B, option D vitamin D. The option C is the right answer. Vitamin B is a water soluble vitamin. Vitamin B is a water soluble vitamin. Vitamin are organic substances that are generally classified as a entire fat soluble or other water soluble. Casimir Funk discovered the vitamins are the 1912 में क्लेसिबल विटामिन डिस्कवर किया गया था। फैट सोलेबल विटामिन है वो ADEK है। जो फैट सोलेबल विटामिन है वो ADEK है और वाटर सोलेबल जो विटामिन है B and C है। टाइप ऑफ विटामिन B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9 and B12. This scientific number of B-thiamine vitamin naturally occur the food and need is a very small amounts of various body function of which energy production and making red blood cell. Weakening means option A hearing of the fetal heart sound, option B sudden stenosis of measurement, option C movement of the fetus in the fetus felt by the mother, option D nasal vomiting in morning. Option C is the right answer. The movement of the fetus in the fetus by mother. The quickening is when pregnant woman feels the first movement of her baby in her uterus womb is I feel flutter bubbles or think pulse quickness. Happiness around 60 to 20 weeks is a pregnancy, but some people may feel it is just snorer later. 26. Cholera is caused by a kind bacterium called option A tuberculosis bacilli, option B Veribro cholera, option C protozoa, option D Ethambia histolytic, option B is the right answer. Veribro cholera. Cholera is caused by bacterium caused for Veribro cholera. Is Veribro cholera is caused by kind bacterium called Veribro cholera. Cholera is known as a ascetic pandemic. Is a severe water diarrhea which can lead dehydration and even death. Is understanding it caused by getting food or drinking water contaminated with bacteria. 27. Drinking alcohol will severely affected the option A kidney, option B brain, option C stomach, option D liver. Option D is the right answer. Option D is the right answer. Drinking alcohol will severe affected. तो जो अल्कोहल का सेवन करने वाले लोग हैं उनमें जो लीवर होता है उनको अल्कोहल बहुत ज़्यादा अफेक्ट करता है, उनको लीवर को बहुत ज़्यादा नुकसान पहुंचाने की त्वरितता रखता है अल्कोहल. Drinking of the alcohol is very severe affected liver. The liver is break down most of the alcohol you drink so that it can remove for the body. This is a process characterizes substances that are the more harmful than alcohol. A higher amount of this substance can damage liver cell and causes cirrhosis, liver disease. Alcohol causes 4 out 5 deaths for liver disease. The liver is also responsible for the clean our blood, produce bacilli for diagnostic and strongly glycogenic for energy. Type of liver disease is caused by alcohol including fatty liver, inflammation of liver, acute alcoholic hepatitis, secretion of liver and liver fatigue. 28. The disease in which the patient blood does not clot easily. Option A sickle cell anemia, option B hemophilia, option C rabies, option D diabetes, option B hemophilia. Hemophilia is usually in hereditary bleeding disorder in which the blood does not clot properly. This can lead spontaneous bleeding as well. Bleeding following an injury or surgery. Bleeding continue many protein called clotting factor that can help to stop bleeding. People with hemophilia have low level of either factor. The says hemophilia that person has determined by the amount factor the blood their lower amount of the factor more like it the bleeding will occur the lead to serious health problem. Disclosure of teeth caused by kind of antibiotic called streptomycin, neomycin, tetracycline के option D penicillin. Option C is the right answer, tetracycline. Disclosure is teeth caused by kind antibiotic called. This disclosure of teeth is called by kind of antibiotic tetracycline. Tooth disclosure, abnormal tooth color, translation, external discoloration is a accumulation of stain onto tooth suffering. Internal disclosure is to the pigment parietal into the tooth structure. Sometimes there are suppression of the teeth and sterile suffer. The internal disorder pigment particular the affecting on the This tetracycline, a border of spectrum antibiotic and derivative minoxidil is a common of the treatment of enhance. It caused by fungus. Option A, malaria. Option B, athlete's foot. Option C, filariasis. Option D, typhus fever. Typhus. Option B, athlete's foot. Option B, athlete's foot is known as medically as a tennis pedic is a common skin of infection of the kit caused by the fungus. It was also spread to the nails and the hair, and the fungal infection is called athletic foot because commonly seen in athletic fungus that cause athletic foot. It is called Trisophletic is commonly found on floor in cloth is usually caused bringing stringing and redness itching. It causes bit tenderness with topically or oral antifungal medication, extravasation, fluconazole, etrazole or micronazole. It is extra. The the failures is transmitted by the filariasis is transmitted by option A, anaphylaxis female mosquito. Option B, anaphylaxis male mosquito. Option D, clulex female mosquito के clulex male mosquito. तो option C, the clulex female mosquito. 2015 RRB नर्सिंग एग्ज़ाम पेपर इज सॉल्व. 2015 का आरआरबी नर्सिंग का पेपर सॉल्व करवा रहा हूँ. यदि आपको अच्छा लगे तो हमें सपोर्ट, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करने की हम आपसे आकांक्षा रखते हैं. The filariasis is transmitted by clulex female mosquito. Filariasis is an infection topical disease caused by parasitic filariasis. Nematode are transmitted to the human throat that bite the female clulex mosquito. These are the species collimated. They are triphloblastic in natural is commonly known as elephantiasis. 32. The blood group contains no antibody. The A option, B option, C, O option, D. AB. The blood group of contaminated content of antibody. So option D is AB. The ABO blood group system is consistent. System is contain four type of blood group minus A, B, AB and O, and is mainly based on the presence of absence of antibody of RBC and antibody in the plasma. A person with blood group AB has antibody and antigen A and antigen B, or on RBC and antibody in plasma, as there are no antibody. There are plasma threat for individual with blood group AB are considered universal recipients. Here is AB blood group has both A and B antigen but no antibody. Group A The suffer of RBC contain A antigen and plasma has anti-B antibody. Group B, the suffer of the RBC contain B antigen and plasma has anti-A antibody. Option Group O, the plasma contain has both minus A and anti-B antibody, but they are suffer from RBC does not contain A or B antigen, so is called universal donor. Universल डोनर ऑफ ए एंड बी, जो यूनिवर्सल डोनर होते हैं वो ए एंड बी है, जिसमें कंटेन एनी एंटीजन और एंटीबॉडी है, वो ए बी यूनिवर्सल डोनर ब्लड होता है. द डिसीज दैट spread through sexual contact is option A leprosy, option B AIDS, option C itches, option C scabies. Option B is the right answer. AIDS is disease that spread through sexual contact. The full form of AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. It is spread by of HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. Virus. The first cause of AIDS is India was detected. ये एड्स है जो इंडिया में पहली बार डिटेक्ट हुआ था, वो 1986 में चेन्नई में हुआ था, और वो चेन्नई में HIV वायरस एंड RNA वायरस उसके बिलोंग टू द रोटावायराइड्स family. The are the two type of HIV. That HIV virus human immunity decrease, the condition is called the AIDS, and the virus spread through sexual contacts and usually infected needles and the child growing in the womb of the infected mother. Prevention of AIDS, it can use strictly such as abstention, not having sex, never sharing needles, and using condom right way every time you have sex. Typhoid transmit through. Typhoid transmit through water. Option A water and food. Option B air. Option C touch. Option D personal content. Option A is the right answer. Water and food. Typhoid transmitted water और food ना कारण फूड के कारण से ये स्प्रेड होता है. टाइफॉइड इज स्प्रेड एज सेपेरेटली कम्युनिकेशन ऑफ फूड एंड वाटर थ्रू पर्सन टू पर्सन connected. Typhoid is also called as intermittent fever, entire fever. It is spread by bacterium called Salmonella typhi. People who are infected with the typhoid pass Salmonella typhi bacteria in their face and occasionally in their urine. You can get typhi you eat food or drink beverage that has been touched by the person who is infected with the typhoid bacteria and has not washed their hand properly after going bathroom. Contaminated can also occur when changes of nappy of child. When infection, the main symptoms of typhoid are high fever, weakness, headache and abdominal pain. ये आपको समझ में आएगा, इसीलिए हमने इस टाइप के पैराग्राफ आपको समझाने के लिए नीचे इंक्लूडेड किए हुए हैं. 35 is example for the disease caused by bacteria. Option A cold, option B typhoid, option C typhus fever, option D chickenpox, option B typhoid. Typhoid is a infection caused by the bacterium Salmonella typhi. Is spread through food and drink water that can contaminated with the infected fecal matter. Washing fruit and vegetable can spread as well as water contaminated. Is also called intermittent fever or entire fever. The main symptoms of the typhoid with high fever, weakness, headache and abdominal pain. They only effective treatment of typhoid antibody. यदि आपको हमारे ये MCQs क्लियर करवा रहा हो, आपको अच्छे लग रहे हो, तो आप हमें कृपया कर सपोर्ट करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और शेयर आपकी फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली में शेयर करें। इसके कारण से हमारी और आपकी दोनों की सहायता होगी। आप हमारे साथ सपोर्ट करें तो हमें आपके साथ जुड़ने में और बेहतरीन रहेगा। आप जितनी बार शेयर करेंगे उतनी बार हर एक फ्रेंड को शेयर करें, इससे हमारा और आपका दोनों का कनेक्शन होगा। 36. It the immunity get the baby after the first attack of disease. Option A natural immunity, option B passive immunity, option D artificial immunity, option D acquired immunity. हमने इम्यूनिटी के बारे में टोटल अपने टॉपिक में पढ़ाया हुआ है। आप एक बार जाके देखें, उसमें आपको बेहतरीन तरीके से समझ में आएगा कौन सी इम्यूनिटी किस में जा रही है, और जो भी है एक्वायर्ड हॉस्पिटल इन्फेक्शन है, कोई अदर इन्फेक्शन है, ऐसा कोई भी इम्यूनिटी है, वो हमने आपको हमारे टॉपिक में प्रॉपरली समझाए हुए इम्यूनिटी के बारे में टोटल बेस टू टॉप आपका क्लियर करवाया हुआ है। उस टॉपिक में आप एक बार जाके इम्यूनिटी का टॉपिक हमारे चैनल पर जाके देखें और शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब अवश्य करें। A type of immunity developed when person immune system responding to foreign or substance of microorganism or that occur after the person receiving antibody for another source. Acquired immunity are two types of active and passive immunity. For example, vaccine expose our immune system to small amount of pathogen or the one make us sick. Thank you. The cell that are the responsible for the production of antibodies. Option A red blood cell, option B platelet, option C plasma, option D white blood cell. Option D is the right answer, white blood cell. White blood cell, WBC, is a type of blood cell that is made in the bone marrow and found in blood and lymph tissue. WBC are the part of the baby immune system. They help the baby fight infection or other disease. Type of WBC are glomerulocysts, neutrophils, eosinophils and basophils. Monocycle and lymphocyte white blood cell are also called as leukocytes, and it make approximately 1% of the total blood volume in a healthy adult. RBC is also known as erythrocyte, delivery oxygen to the tissue in our body. Oxygen turn into energy and our tissue release CO2. RBC is also transmitted CO2 our lungs for exhale. Placenta platelet are pipes of very large cell in the bone marrow called मेगाकोसाइटिस। 38 प्रश्न हम अभी के लिए बाकी रख रहे हैं। आप हमारे साथ जुड़े रहिए। हम आपको टोटल 2015 से लेकर 2019 तक के हम सभी पेपर आपको सॉल्व करवाएंगे RRB के, और आपके साथ साथ हमें भी रिवीजन होगा।